This video will walk you through the toolset's features in LaserPecker Design Space, LDS, what they do, and how to use them effectively in your projects. Located at the top left corner, this menu gives you access to key file features. Under the File tab, New Project, start a fresh design. Open Project, load a saved LP2 file. Save and Save as save your work locally. Export as SVG or PNG, export your design for use elsewhere. Under the Settings tab, Language, change language from the list. View, show or hide alignment guides. Experimental features, enable beta functions. About LDS View software version info. Here is the vertical toolbar on the left side, which includes all the core creation tools. We'll start by using the toolbar to create a graphic on the canvas. The first feature, Select, allows you to further edit the selected graphic on the canvas. You can freely move around the canvas by dragging it. You can also zoom in or out using the control at the bottom left corner or by holding Control and scrolling your mouse wheel. At the bottom of the canvas, you'll see the list of open projects. The next two features are Pen and Brush. Click the icon to select the Pen tool. Then, click on any blank area of the canvas to place a point. The Pen tool will create vector paths between the points. Press the ESC key to exit drawing mode. Alternatively, click the icon to select the Brush tool. Then click and hold the left mouse button on a blank area of the canvas and drag to draw freehand lines. Press the ESC key to exit. The Image feature allows you to import your own image. Click the image icon to open and import an image file stored on your computer. You can also drag and drop an image directly onto the canvas from your desktop. Image supported formats: JPG, PNG, BMP, SVG, DXF, and G-code image files. After importing the image, click Edit. You can crop the image manually, auto-crop, or erase specific parts as needed. To use the text feature, click the icon to switch to the text tool. Click on a blank area of the canvas to insert a text input box. The text will enter an editable state, allowing you to edit the content directly, change the font and size. You can also adjust line spacing, letter spacing, column width, and alignment. Click anywhere outside the text box to exit editing mode. Besides inserting text, you can also add barcodes or QR codes. Click the Shape icon to insert various basic shapes such as rectangles, circles, polygons, stars, and more. Once a shape is added, you can use the Fill option to fill it. For mass production or repeated patterns, the Grid tool allows you to quickly create grid array or circular arrays of duplicated shapes. To manage multiple elements as one, you can group them, which locks their relative positions so you can move them together. LDS also offers powerful shape combination tools, enabling you to merge shapes into one. Subtract, remove one shape from another. Intersect, keep only the overlapping area. Exclude, remove the overlapping area. These features make it easy to build custom graphics by combining and manipulating simple shapes. The Clip Art feature allows you to open the built-in material library, which offers a wide variety of graphic elements. These include festivals, icons, animals, SVGs, G-code patterns, and more. You can also log into your account and import your own custom clip art. In the next episode, we'll guide you through how to edit your own image and achieve the ideal effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.